Hello everyone, I'm back again. Managed to do a couple of more things. As you can see, got a red and white fan, 140mm. I've also added a 360 hard drive for hot swap. Just so you know, it is actually a PC. Mini ITX motherboard, ASRock, AMD A10 750K processor, 16GB Corsair RAM. It has got a slot loading bay, so I can still use it for a DVD drive. I'll just plug it in. Anybody who's got an Xbox One, I've used the sync button, it's the power button. There we go, just gotta do some LEDs. I didn't want the ones that I had in before. And that's about it really. Tidy up the case a little. Been a bit slow, but I'm getting there. Thanks for watching.